Hello, my name is Sharon Ribi, a student at the Nova Scotia Community College, and today I will walk you through the new Cengage app. And without wasting much time, here we go.
So we're going to open it. When you do open it for the first time, it will ask you for your email and your password, and this means your email that you have registered with Cengage and the password you use for it. And once you do open it, you should see a list of all the books that you have subscribed to or have purchased via Cengage. When you do it the first time, it will have the option to download and not to open. So this basically allows you to use the book while offline as well. On the bottom left of the screen, you have your content menu. So this helps you navigate chapters, units, and sections within the book. The little arrows are drop-down menus to the units and chapters and sections. So depending on how your book looks like, this will look different. And this little slider will help you navigate your book. So this just basically takes you to different sections. If you do know the specific section you want to go to, you can always type in the page and go to the page. You also have a search bar at the top where you can search for a sentence, a word that's in the textbook that maybe you couldn't remember really well. This will help you locate that particular thing in your text. So for example, let's basically just type in refrigerator. And it will bring up all the instances of the word refrigerator in the text. And you can kind of see which one you want. The more specific you are with it, the better. Highlight a text or a section in your text. Just long press in that section. Drag however much you would like to highlight. So let's say I want to highlight these 2-3 sentences. Pick a color that you want. Let's go with pink. And there you have it, and that's highlighted in my text. To bookmark a page, say go to a few pages after and just click the bookmark right at the top over here. And that's that. To see what you have bookmarked when you come back to your text later, you have this little icon to the bottom right. And there we go. So annotations are what you highlighted over there, and your bookmarks should be in the next tab. For your accessibility options, you have right here on the bottom for the font size and the text font. You can change, reduce, and increase the size of your font. You can change the type of your font. So let's put monospace and a little bit lower. And there we have it. And you also have a text-to-speech option, which just is this little icon with a person and a volume kind of thing. You just click that. Maybe go to a page that you want it read for you. Just once you're on that page, it will automatically start reading from the top of that page. So for example,
fuses. A fuse is a simple device used to protect circuits from overloading and overheating. Most fuses.
You have the pause and play right at the bottom, and the little arrow to the left helps you increase or reduce the reading speed. So whatever you're comfortable with, you can use that. You can also go offline, so I turned off my internet, and here we go. Let's see. It opens up and I can go again, maybe in a bus and I'm trying to catch up on my reading. We highlight a section, see if that works offline. And green. There we go. It does show up when you're offline. So you can use this once you download a book into your library, you can use the function offline. There we have it. So with that, that's Cengage Read, and good luck with all your reading.